So in this demo, I will show you how to use PitchKickstart both with Chrome plugin, which is just for your convenience, and directly with ChatGPT. So let's start. I will start a new project here. I'll call it test. I will skip folder. Those folders, by the way, are for agencies to organize their clients. And we have different frameworks here. For demo, I will use this 12-step VSL framework. VSL stands for Visual Sales Letter, and in this specific framework, you start Visual Sales Letter with the question, and then you agitate the problem and so on. So those snaps which you see here are actual AR feeds. We call them snaps because they are short and snappy. You could actually just use this snap as itself in your sales letter you see right there. But of course, you want to rewrite it and make it completely unique in your own state as AI feed for ChatGPT. So let's do it. So what you select it, you just then can either link or you can use preview and then right click and choose chat PitchKickstart different styles. So let me show how the Windows for Chrome plugin looks like. So here's how it looks like after you use this plugin. I already did it. So it is essentially giving you the source copy right there. And then you can rewrite it in different styles. How do you rewrite it in casual styles? As you can see, it is completely different. You have, are you tired and so on. And here is saying, are you fed up with launching new products and so on. So this is how you use a plugin, this Chrome plugin for convenience. But of course, you can just use it as an AI feed directly with ChatGPT. So let's copy it here and paste it here. But if you use directly, you must be careful. You need to give the ChatGPT correct prompt to write it. So I will use it, rewrite in casual style. And I will just paste the text we just copied, and we'll see what ChatGPT came out with. So again, it may take time. Right now, the ChatGPT has a massive load. So in the meantime, while the chat is working, let me show you how you will continue using it. So then after you're done with this step, of course, you can just take from ChatGPT the text and paste it here. So let's do it actually. Sick of introducing new items that never seems to sell as much as you want them to. I've had nothing but huge success with every product I've put out in the past year. I'm already or about to spill my secrets. And you see it's completely different rewrite as we did before with the Chrome plugin. So let's take it and put it back in our text. So now we have completely unique introduction in a casual style. If you want to rewrite in different style, you will just make prompt, rewrite in quirky style, rewrite in witty style, rewrite in professional style, or rewrite in the style of Arthur Conan Doyle, which is a very famous author, and so on. So this is how easy to do. Let me do one more here. Let's preview example 2. I will use it right here. I will just copy it to a prompt window, and then I will just copy paste this comment to not have to rewrite it again manually. Doesn't write it. Right now, again, ChatGPT starts writing our content, and actually it's very funny, as you see, and very casual. Is that leaking faucet, constantly running toilet, or drippy shower driving you crazy at night, because we are just rewriting the content about the shower keeping dripping for the contractor. So those copy bits you can rewrite in different styles. You can use those example different way. So let me do again, this is last one. Uh, Actually continue with first one, because as you see, we have the different beginning of a sales letter for two different VSL. One was for the product launch, second was for the plumber. So let's go back to the launch example. And we have now a second step and second snap for the launch example. Let's preview it. And let me copy it here and use it on the bottom. So we have continuation for the product launch. And I will just do the same right here. I will just take this prompt and paste it right there. And now ChatGPT goes to work and rewrite our second part of our VSL about the product launch, and we see what the app came up with. You ever spend months creating and getting product ready just for it to flop when you finally launch it, and so on. So you see it's pretty nice rewrite actually for this AI seed. I'll just paste it right there to replace the default one, and you just keep going, It's super easy. And remember, you can rewrite many times. You don't like this one, you can just rewrite it, and you can keep writing it until you're happy in different styles. So that's it for this short demo. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you see how powerful those AI seeds are.